All right. Hey, everybody. Will here. I'm going to take you guys on a little tutorial of how to update your student learning outcomes. We're going to do all this within Blackboard. Shouldn't take but just a second. So uh, let's jump in. First thing we want to do is, of course, log into Blackboard. Once we're in Blackboard, we should see My Organizations. This is going to be a content area right beneath the course list area. We can click on Faculty and Staff. That's where we're going to find our stuff. And then we're going to go to Content. Click on Content. And then we're going to go to General Studies Outcomes Assessments. We're going to click on that. We're going to take a look at Arts as just an example. Click on Arts. And then we're going to click on the actual wiki. Once we're in here, we're going to be able to see our wiki. And we can scroll up and down. I've highlighted the areas that need to be updated. These are just repeats of the previous semester's SLO with the relevant numerical changes and content changes highlighted. So what we would do to change is just click Edit Wiki Content. And then we're going to scroll down. We're going to make a change. And then we're going to, once we've finished updating, hit Submit. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.